Hi everyone, welcome back to CIC Talks. So as you can see today, we are going to talk about one of my most favorite cue cards, which is describe a famous athlete you know. In this cue card, basically you are supposed to talk about a famous sports person that you are aware. So what you need to say first is who he or she is, how do you know him or her, what has he or she achieved, and explain why he or she is famous. So as you can see in the picture, we are going to talk about Mr. Milkha Singh and his achievements. But before we move further, I request you to please watch this video till the end. And if you like our content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And also note that I have tried to incorporate high band vocabulary into this answer. If you don't understand anything or if you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the comments below. So let's begin with the introduction. There are many athletes in this world who are globally admired, but for me, there is one particular athlete who has given me goosebumps with his speed. So, who he or she is? He is none other than Mr. Milkha Singh, the man who flew. Also known as the Flying Sikh, he was an Indian track and field sprinter who was introduced to the sport while serving in the Indian Army. How do you know him or her? Actually, I know him because when I was a student, I got a chance to meet him in person. And after talking to him, I was anxious to know more about his larger than life personality, And I watched his Farhan Akhtar starred biopic Bhag Milkha Bhag, and moreover, I read his autobiography, The Race of My Life. So, in short, I have done everything I could do to find how he became such a great personality and a most decorated Indian athlete. So, what has he or she achieved? As far as Mr. Singh's achievements are concerned, he has achieved what an ordinary human being can only fantasize. Milkha Singh is the only athlete to win gold at 400-meter race at the Asian Games as well as the Commonwealth Games. And moreover, he also won gold medals in 1958 and 1962 Asian Games if I'm not wrong. He represented India in the 1956 Summer Olympics in Melbourne, 1960 Summer Olympics in Rome and 1964 Summer Olympics in Tokyo. Furthermore, his finishing time in the 1960 Olympics 400-meter final race set a national record that stood for giant 40 years. So, explain why he or she is famous. Simply put, he was the Indian first athlete, superhero who had emerged on the scene at a time when such a star coming out of India was deemed impossible. Milkha Singh fired world imagination and successfully placed Indian athletes on the world map without the slightest of backing from the establishment. When somebody performed miracles, popularity eventually followed. So this is what happened with Mr. Singh. He was awarded the Padma Shri, which is also India's fourth highest civilian honor, in recognition for his legendary sporting achievements. So in the end, I would just like to tell you that unfortunately he is no more with us today, but his legacy will remain forever. And this is about the cue card. So now let's delve into the follow-ups. The first follow-up is, what kinds of exercises do Indian people like? Well, Indians like to perform meditation, morning walk and yoga. But the caveat here is that most people don't find enough time and motivation to follow some fitness regime. And that's why there has been a dramatic increase in diseases such as obesity and diabetes in India. Second is, what characteristics do you think an athlete should have? I think two quintessential qualities for an athlete are discipline and self-belief. Success is not an overnight phenomena, and we all know that. It requires regular hard work and perseverance. Moreover, in athletics, mental strength is as important as physical fitness, if not more. So, why are there so few top athletes in this world? I think it's because the journey to become a top-notch athlete is not a cakewalk. It all depends on the availability of resources and training infrastructure, which is the biggest deciding factor in the success of an athlete. India in particular, if we talk about, it has a chronic staff shortages at sports centers. And as a result, sports persons who are well off, they move abroad to seek better training, while most athletes remain in the country. So one shouldn't be surprised for the sorry performance of Indian athletes in the global platforms such as Olympics. And what's the best way to become a top athlete? A great athlete, I believe, is a well-rounded one. And there are a lot of things that goes on behind it, such as discipline, lifestyle habits, self-awareness, and personality development. All of that combined to create an athlete that is strong, fast, and most importantly, injury-free. And that's everything around this cue card for now. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. And if you wanted to know more about other cue cards, then you can simply head on to our website, which is www.cictalks.com. You will find plenty of IELTS speaking content over there. And for now, thank you very much for watching this video, and see you soon. Goodbye.